Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to another question from the chapter integral functions, and let us see what is the question. So we have to find the integral of the function cos raised to the power 4 2x. So we have to find the integration of this function with respect to x. So how should we proceed with question? Proceed with this question. The idea is to convert this term, the integrand, into lower powers of trigonometric functions. That is trigonometric function, any trigonometric function raised to the power 1. And that trigonometric functions should have its terms separated by plus or minus. I mean, a can be a trigonometric function 1, b can be another trigonometric function, let us say the second one, and they should not be multiplied to each other. They should either be added or subtracted to each other. So that is our motive. So how do we do this thing? We take the help from the trigonometric identities that we already know. So what should we do? Our first step is to write cos 2x raised to the power 4 as cos 2x raised to the power 3 multiplied by cos 2x. That is, we break one of the powers separately. Now, we already know that cos cube x. What is the identity for cos cube x? Cos cube x is equal to cos 3x plus 3 cos x upon 4. This identity comes from the identity that is cos cube x is equal to 4 cos cube x, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x plus 3 cos x. Let me write it for you. First, let me erase it. Okay. So our identity is something like cos of 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So we just shift the terms to their proper sides and we get our simplified identity or the value of cos cube x as cos 3x plus 3 cos x upon 4. So we take the help of this identity to replace the value of cos cube 2x here. So cos cube 2x, so we replace x by 2x in this identity everywhere. So we get something like this expression. And we already get cos 2x, that was here, so we get cos 2x here. Now simplifying the expression, we have this thing. Now we can see that we have simplified the expressions. Earlier we have the degree of the main integrand as 4, but now here degree is 2 and degree is 2. So we can see that we are moving towards a simplified expression. So still the work is need to be done on these two parts, the first part and this part. They are still in the multiplication form or of the degree 2. Now what we do? We take help of the identity cos A cos B. That is, cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B by 2. And cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 4x by 2. This identity comes from here. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. We simply replace x by 2x and we get this identity. Now moving to the next slide. Just wait a sec. Okay. Yeah. So we have now cos 2x raised to the power 4 as cos 2x raised to the power 3 into cos 2x, which was further simplified to this thing. So now we have a simplified expression. Now you can check here that we have a trigonometric function here, another here, and they are separated by plus, and another one is here. They are simply separated by plus. So now we can easily integrate this function. So now trying to integrate the function, we have this thing and this thing. So the integration of cos 4x is sin 4x by 4. Integration of cos 8x is sin 8x by 8. And they are multiplied by their respective this denominator 8. Similarly, integration of cos 4x is sin 4x by 8. Sorry, sin 4x by 4. So finally we get our integrand as this one. Just check the multiplication part. I am not sure whether this is correct. You just have to write the integration of cos in a correct way. That is cos 4x and the integration of cos 4x with respect to x is sine 4x divided by 4. So I hope that is it. You all understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.